467. 44 Magtech, 100 yards, CBA Hunter, doing a blowout special.
What is the blowout test, you might ask? It's a coffee can packed with ballistic clay. And we're 100 yards, we're going to hit that can and we're going to see what kind of vortex tube blows out, funnel.
Alright, the blowout special. I think we blew it out. Might be too big of a bullet for that size of a can. I don't know. It just might be me. Alright, here we go with the blowout special. Oh, we blew it out. This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting a cavity. There, we went a little high on the shot. Came in, blew down, and totally wiped the coffee. I guess it sent it sideways. It was in the jeans sideways. It definitely got it a little flatter than what we've been getting. We'll take that back to the table and take a look at it. Compare it to a regular shroom. This is the blowout test. Did not turn out the way I thought it would. I was expecting more of a funnel shape coming out, not a just blowing up. But that's the blowout test of the 44 mag at 100 yards. That's what we got left of this bullet, which we got it opening up 0.73. This is the interesting part. Top to bottom, it's 0.4. There's another one, top to bottom, 0.51. This is hitting water jugs, hitting a water jug and doing that. And this is hitting that clay, and it just flattened it out like a pancake even more. I mean, the expansion difference, okay, what did I say this was? Okay, we got 0.81 that way. 0.81, 0.74, and this is pretty much round all the way. So 0.72. So, I mean, it didn't open it up much more, but it did flatten it out. I mean, because if you look, the difference right there, it's a big difference between those two bullets, and that's hitting the ballistic clay, and that's hitting the ballistic water. But there you go, on our blowout test right there. We're gonna try to refine this a little better. Out of a 240 grain bullet, we have 238. Yeah, there's a little bit of clayage in there and a little bit of denim, but that is not bad for a bullet retention hitting. But I mean, clay ain't gonna eat it up. But there you go, flatten it out, a lot flatter than normal. So that is the blowout test, and once again, thank you for watching.